What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product that I've had my eye on for like 6 months to a year, just looking at these, window shopping online, and I finally pulled the trigger. So as you can see by the title, it will be the Foundation Shorts by 10,000. I got the brick red colorway, so I will obviously try these on, give my thoughts, and then of course give my rating at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm sure most of you have already heard of 10,000, but if you haven't, they are known for their shorts. They actually do have like t-shirts and hoodies and I think joggers, but they're really known for their shorts. 10,000 is kind of in the like fitness section of the industry for clothing, and they're really known for having shorts that can be put through any type of like weather or I don't know, climate, any kind of like challenge, right? So you can go hiking in these, you can do crazy deadlifts or be rubbing them up against any kind of thing and they're not gonna like scratch or break down at all. They're extremely durable. And I know I don't talk too much about fitness on my channel, but it is a huge part of my life. I actually have my own home gym downstairs and I'll show you a couple clips of that right here. But unfortunately, a few years ago, I tore my labrum in my shoulder, had to get surgery on it, and it really never properly healed. So I can't do the heavy weights that I used to, but it is still a big part of my life, like I said, and I love working out. It just makes you feel good. I've been doing this for years. So, there's a little bit of information about me, if you guys didn't know that, but back to the actual shorts here. I want to go ahead and show you them up close. Oh shit, sorry. So again, this is the brick red colorway. Right. I got a size small because I'm a 31 waist, and of course the smaller you go, the tighter the leg hole opening is, and you guys know that that is a big deal for me. This is the back of the shorts right here. Got their logo. I'm not a big logo guy, but I actually don't mind something like that. That's actually pretty cool. You can see this up close. Got the red rings, and then each one of these says 10,000. Don't know if you can see it. Alright, they do have a stretchy waistband in the back because these are kind of built like board shorts, right? So on a typical board short, it is just like this material on the waist and it's not stretchy, right? So if it doesn't fit you perfectly with when you tie these strings, it kind of sucks. But this right here, having the stretchy band in the back is such a big deal, and I love the way that they fit. So I also will show you right in here, there are a couple Velcro patches so that when you put them on, you tighten the Velcro, then you can pull the strings. And I'll show you that when I try them on, you'll see it better. On the right side of the shorts, you have a zipper pocket right here. Got like a mesh liner in there. And then on the zipper itself, you have their logo. All right, their pockets go pretty deep. I'll show you that when I try them on. This left side does not have a zipper or anything, just a normal pocket. So I will go ahead and try these on. Okay, here we go. Just want to let you guys know that these are the 7-inch inseam right here. Again, these are a size small, and I'm 6 feet tall, around 160 pounds. Have a 31 waist. I do want to show you guys what that looks like here when you secure them. So you got the two Velcros right there, the other one right here. And as I close this, it's stretching out in the back. So see all that extra room I have? So those are secure. Now you got your strings. If you want to tie them, you can. Right, and I still have space because of that waistband. So awesome move. I absolutely love that, and I don't think I realized how cool that was until I actually tried these on. Right, so go ahead, show you that zipper again here. Here is the pocket and how far down that goes. One thing I didn't talk about, but you know, it's kind of obvious if you watch any of the other reviews, these things are extremely durable. Like, I'm trying to rip these. They're very, very, very tough. So, awesome there. The leg hole openings are pretty good. Looking pretty good. And I like that they don't really wrinkle. You know, when you take these out of the wash, they're kind of just like good to go. You can like crumble them up. Don't really wrinkle. So I'll go ahead and turn around for you. Up close. They have a little bit of stretch. They definitely have a little bit, nothing crazy though. Feel really, really durable. What do you guys think about these? I think the 7-inch inseam is perfect for me. They do make a 9-inch, which is a little bit longer, and then a 5-inch, which of course was a little bit shorter. They also make them with liners or without liners. I chose to not get the liner. If you're wondering, these are BYLT. What are they? The briefs, like the longer ones. I absolutely love these. I always get them with my free points. I kind of use that as like my compression short. But yeah, I really like these guys. Okay, before we move on to the ratings, just want to show you guys what these are made of. And they are made out of 88% polyester and then 12% spandex. The material on the outside, it feels kind of like a matte finished, kind of like my Oliver shorts. Kind of feels like that. And then on the inside here, you know, I guess I can show you guys that. Pause the screen, read that if you want to. But just like the material on the inside is more of like a mesh, a little bit softer. Here's like the stretch. Like I'm doing that kind of hard, so not super stretchy. And then again, like extremely durable. Let's move on to the ratings. First up, we have fit, and they are getting a 5.1 out of 6. I think they fit really nice. The length is perfect. I'm happy that they give you the ability to choose like the short, medium, or long with the 5, 7, and 9. I think 7's perfect. My only thing, it's just being nitpicky, and it's just because I have skinny legs, I wish the leg hole openings were a tiny bit smaller. With my last video, I reviewed the BYLT shorts. I had 3 different pairs, but like the kinetic ones, just for reference guys, the kinetics are like an inch or 2, I think like 2 inches maybe, like overall circumference, smaller than these ones. So comparing the kinetic smalls to the 10,000 foundation smalls, those ones are like 2 inches smaller per leg. So I literally just held them up to the kinetic shorts. I wish these were a tiny bit smaller, but you know, that's just me being nitpicky. So 5.1 out of 6. Next we have comfort, and for comfort they are getting a 3.3 out of 4. I think they're pretty comfortable. You know, they're definitely not restrictive or anything. Having that a little bit of a looser leg hole opening, they do give you more room to, you know, not be restricted, I guess. They do have a little bit of stretch, but nothing too much, not too much stretch. So overall, they're just, you know, they're comfortable. You know, nothing crazy, not like super comfortable. That's not what they're really meant for though. They're meant to be durable, which brings me to the next score, which is value. This is a new score. If you guys didn't see the last video, I'm doing value now as my new score instead of style. So for value, I am giving these in between good and great. So amazing quality, probably the highest quality pair of shorts that I own. You know, before these, I would say it was my Oliver all over shorts, but these are definitely more durable, 100%. Very, very tough. But at the same time, they are 58 bucks if you don't get the liners. If you get the liners, then I think they're like 68. So you get what you pay for. I'm absolutely happy I bought these. I'm probably gonna get a couple other colors, to be honest. So I think it's like in between good and great for value. If it was a little bit lower priced, or if you guys can get a coupon code, I think it's a great value. So if you're looking at these and you're not sure if you should pull the trigger, I would definitely recommend doing it. I don't think you'll regret it. I will put a link in the description. If you buy through that link, I'll get a little commission. Nothing big or anything. If you guys don't feel like doing that, no, I don't give a shit, whatever. But if you want to be cool and help out the channel, I'd really appreciate it. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to show you that I also got their tech hoodie, and I'm gonna save this for another video, but it's pretty cool. I don't want to say too much because I want you guys to watch that video. But if you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments. Definitely make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you guys next week with a new video.